Hello treasures, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Thank you for stopping by. Join me, let's make this refreshing juice that I said is better than orange juice. Here I've got some tangerines which I've already washed. I'll go ahead now and peel them. You can easily peel tangerines with your fingers, but some of them can be strong or hard. So I'll just use knife, cut off the head, and then continue with my finger. It is easier that way. The ones that are soft, I use only my fingers, starting from the bottom of the tangerine. And here we have our tangerines all peeled. I'm also going to add 1 lemon to it. Then we start juicing. You can also use your blender for this. Just add the peeled tangerines into your blender and blend. After blending, you sieve out the juice with a chiffon cloth or your sieve. This is pure tangerine juice. And I'll continue juicing until I've juiced all the peeled tangerines and the lemon. Feel free to add ginger to your own or any other fruit you want to combine it with. For this, I'm keeping it simple, just the tangerines and the lemon. And here we have our refreshing tangerine juice. You can cover this and refrigerate to chill it for some hours before drinking. But for me, I'm enjoying a glass of this with some ice cubes right away.